Hey guys, good morning. Can everyone hear me? Awesome. Thank you, Skyjack. Alrighty, guys, it's looking to be a pretty good morning. Watching the futures here, watching them since last night. Had a nice climb over the night there. Trump signed the. Let me see here. Let me get this watch list a little tighter here. It's off the screen. There we go. All right. Nice day to start. Our Bank of America trades back up about 10% here. Our Apple trades almost in the green here. Apple's having a nice climb. Trump ended up signing the COVID relief bill. Stimulus package, $600 compared to the $2,000 that we were looking for. But, you know, markets look like they are liking that news there. So we will see how we go today. Still watching, still climbing here. Our Riot trades up about $150 today, which is really nice. Let me look in the main account here, see how that's doing. We got some larger trades on Amazon and Delta in the main account there. And there we go. We're up about $2,000 in the main account here for the day. Disney trades up $600. Our Disney trade for the July 16th 180 strike. Remember, we picked up that Disney 180 call for the July Expo. The whole reason why we wanted to get that July Expo is to take advantage of the COVID vaccine coming out, rolling out, the new administration coming in January, and obviously COVID, dying down here a bit. So, that's why we got into that Disney trade, and that's the whole reason why we ended up going with the expiration that we ended up going out with that July 16th. I think that's going to be a beautiful trade setup. I got about $8,000 in that trade. I think that's going to be a nice runner. As you guys can see, here's the Disney chart. Here is the 3-month daily Disney chart. If you guys are checking it out, we had nice patterns here following our trade plan. Nice breakout momentum, retracement back down to that 10, breakout momentum, retracement to that 10. And as what you're seeing here, you're seeing that climb. You see that nice climb. Then we retrace back down to that 10. A nice climb, and then we're retracing back down to that 10. Nice climb, a retracement back down to that 10. Nice climb, consolidation, and then we had that next big breakout there, and then we consolidated back to the 10. Now what you're seeing is we have that 180 as our next resistance going back to the highs on this candle here. So if we take a look here, you guys could see back on December 11th here, we got up to a high of 180. That acted as a little bit of resistance there. So now as we continue to climb, Disney's at 176.51, continuing to climb there. What we're going to be looking for is that resistance at 180. If we could break that 180, that's where I'm going to be adding to this Disney trade. The reason why I would add to this Disney trade is because we have the July 16th, 2021 180 strike call. Plenty of time until expiration. Looks great. That's what I want to take advantage of right there. Our other trade we have is Apple. Let's take a look at Apple. Got a pretty decent sized trade on Apple here as well. Apple here is continuing. Let me get that drawing off. That was from the Disney. Let me see. There we go. Amazon getting a nice little spike there as well, back up to 31.92.50. Okay, so you guys could see here, Apple, it consolidated a bit, had another nice breakout today, up almost 2%, 1.81% for the day, continuing to climb, continuing to break higher at the highs of the day right now, almost at 134.50. So if we take a look at the 3-month daily here, I expect this to continue to run. I'm looking to hold this until at least the end of January. I think this is going to continue to break out. Guys, we're now green on our Apple trade. Our Apple trade, our Bank of America are now green overall. Nice gains there. We have some really nice gains there in the trade challenge account and in the main account here. So remember what I told you guys last week about the discipline and the mentality of having these longer term expirations and waiting, being patient and disciplined, following that trade plan and watching for that move. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. A nice climb here. Now let's take a look at Delta, because Delta I have a little bit larger of a trade. And this is kind of like the same thing like Disney. So with Delta, I ended up going with the June 18th 45 call. As you guys could see, Delta's having another nice climb, up about 2% here, getting up to that 10-day simple moving average on a 3-month daily chart here and looking pretty good. Alrighty, so Delta's continuing to climb, break higher. Take a look at Apple. Apple's still on the run. Apple trade is now up 5%. Got a pretty decent sized trade of that in the trade challenge account there. Still continuing to run on Apple. That's for the January 15th expo. Like that. I'm going to hold on to it. Really nice breakout there from opening bell. Looking good. Let's see what else we got going on here. Let's see. Amazon. What's Amazon doing today? Amazon still climbing, holding that 10-day, getting up to that 31.95. I'd like to see that break that 3,200 today. Hope we could break that 3,200, continue to run. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. How was everyone's Christmas? We kind of just stayed at home and rested a bit, watched some movies. Let's see here. Twitter's up about 1.6%. Google's continuing to climb 1753. Facebook's been stagnant for a while, only up about 80 cents for the day.
Spiking to the high, now $2.85.
Let's see here.
Being mentioned as a crypto play.
Guys, that Riot is taking off here. RIOT. We picked up a trade on that. Got a nice breakout on that there. 1584 continuing to climb there. I have the December 31st expiration in the trade challenge account on Riot, so I got to keep an eye on that and keep a close eye, see what's going on with that.
That's Alpha Echo Hotel Lima, AEHL.
Let's see here. Bank of America trades up about 6%. Apple's up 5%. Our Riot trades almost in the green. Good morning, Ephraim. Good morning, Sergi.
AIRT halted on a circuit breaker.
If you guys remember, too, we ended up getting a trade on XL Fleet. That one's starting to break out today, up about 2.4%. Climbing off that 50-day simple moving average, 30.55. I'll keep an eye on that. 30.60 now, nice little climb there. We'll keep an eye on that. December 31st Expo. Let's see. We are looking pretty good today, guys. Pretty darn good.
LOAC, longevity acquisition, resuming trade, Lima Oscar.
I want to see this breakout continue. Let me see if there's anything good on the news wire here.
And looks like it's being halted again.
U.S. indices are trading higher for the session after President Trump signed a $900 billion stimulus coronavirus relief bill on Sunday. That we know. AT&T to report Q4 earnings on Wednesday. I think they're going to do pretty well. T-Mobile, AT&T. I always see that T and I think of T-Mobile. There we go. XL's still breaking out, guys. Nice breakout there. Qs are continuing to run. There goes Amazon. Amazon nearing 31.96. Our Apple trade's now up 8%, guys. Apple continuing to break out. There she goes, near 135. Our XL just got up to 31. We're up 700 for the day in the trade challenge account and a little over 2,000 in the main account here. Really nice way to start a Monday. Look at the gains on Amazon today. Nice gains on Amazon, XL.
BNGO, Banana Genomics, spiking to the high, 98 cents. November Golf Oscar.
That Air T. Remember we were talking about that Air T the other day?
Shares up about 40%.
Halted on a circuit breaker to the downside. Shares down almost 30%. That's a big drop there. There goes that XL again, breaking that $31. Apple's still continuing to break higher. Let's take a look at Apple. Maybe we could add to the Apple trade, or we could do something like this week's Expo on an Apple trade. Want to see it break that 135 though. Guys, that Riot trade, we're almost green on that Riot trade. Riot's up to 1650. Shares up 25% today. Unbelievable climb on Riot. We have the Riot, let me see here. We have the Riot 17 strike call for December 31st. We ended up paying $1.65 a contract for that. We're up over $320 on Riot today. Big climb on Riot. Let's take a look at the daily chart here, see what we're looking for with Riot. Zoom out a little bit. I mean, we're at new highs for quite some time here on Riot. We're at new all-time highs here on Riot. Apple's still continuing to run. There goes XL 3150. We're up $800 in the trade challenge account now, being led by Apple and Riot. Look at XL here. This is in the main account. Another nice breakout, 31.50 a share. Our Apple trade's now up 9%. See what we're doing here in the main account. Nice, $2,100 gain in the main account here. Disney trades up $800. Amazon's up $400. Baidu's up about $200. XL's up $400. And we're down about $50 on Moderna, down $25 on Intel. We have an Intel February 19th 5250 call. So let's take a look at Intel, INTC. Intel's still looking good there. What is this stock over here? 31.79. There goes XL again, guys. Big breakout on XL. Let's take a look at that quick as she's running. $32 a share on XL. Shares up 7.5%. Continuing to break higher. Now up 8% for the day, breaking that 32. Nice climb there on XL.
ZI Music hitting the highs of the day. Following that press release.
Up $700 for the day on a lot of our trades here in the trade challenge account.
61 cents the high on Victor Uniform Zulu India.
I still think we're going to continue to run here. Like the setup we're seeing. Wow, guys, look at that XL go. What a breakout on XL. Let's see what we're doing here in the main account with XL. Wow, we're up almost $3,000 for the day here. I'm up $900 on Disney, up almost $750 on XL right now. Our XL trade's almost in the green. There goes XL, another big breakout there. She's continuing to break higher. 32.78, 32.80, continuing to run. Let me show you guys the gains here for the day in the main account. Here is our gains here, day's gains in the main account here. As you guys could see, this 200, that one's Amazon. The 150, this is Baidu. Delta. Intel, or no, 800, that one's Disney. And below that's Intel, Moderna, and then XL we're up $700 for here. So up a little over $2,100 for the day in the main account here. And then as you guys could see, here's the trade challenge account right here. Let me get that up for you. That's the one I'm on eTrade Pro with right now. Up about $620 for the session here on that. The top one there is Apple. Second one is BAC, Bank of America. This one's here, Cloudera, Riot, and that last one there is still that USO trade we got last year. There goes XL continuing to run there. Apple just came down a little bit there, still continuing to climb. Amazon came down to that blue 20-day simple moving average. Let's take a look at Amazon here. Amazon pulled back down to that 20, starting to run once again. There we go. Our Apple trade's now up 11% for the day. AAPL. Nice new highs there on Apple. Continuing to break higher. Broke that 135, 135.31 and continuing to climb. I thought I had Apple in the main account here. I guess not. Up now $800 in the trade challenge account for the day. Being led by Apple and Riot. Guys, our Riot trade's in the green. Our Riot trade is in the green after being down about 90% yesterday, well, Friday. Look at that continued breakout there. 17 bucks a share. We should have a profit. I'll probably look to exit.
Aqua Metals hitting the intraday high now. 337 hit a high 380 earlier. Alpha Quebec Michael Sandy, company out with a press release earlier on achieving significant improvements to its sustainability-focused battery recycling technology. That's Alpha Quebec Michael Sandy.
Riot is still on the run, guys. Big breakout on Riot. I'd love to see that hit that 1750 today. Guys, we're up 12% now on our Apple trade, up 7% on Bank of America. Amazon starting to run once again.
Rand Capital Acquisition.
There we go, looking good.
Set to 1731 after hitting high of 1950, halted on a circuit breaker. RAND.
That Riot is looking great, guys. How many of you guys are in the Riot trades? What trades are you guys in? So I know which ones to focus on here. 13% gain on our Apple trade.
MBRX, Molecular and Biotech, FDA orphan drug designation. Michael Bravo Romeo X-ray.
What a nice breakout, up 14% on the Apple trade, guys. 135.50 a share. She's up 2.67% for the day. Nice run there. Amazon breaking higher here again as well. Apple trade is up 15%. Our Riot trade is wanting to turn green. 1677. Apple shares are trading higher in sympathy with the overall market after President Trump signed a $900 billion stimulus coronavirus relief bill on Sunday. There goes Apple breaking out once again, up 17% on the Apple trade, guys. Here is the trade challenge account. Nice way to end the trade challenge account. We're going to be starting our new trade challenge, really soon here. Here's the trade challenge account, up $830 today. And still continuing to climb as Apple's leading the way here, up 17% overall. And our Bank of America trade's now up 10% for the day. Up almost $900 for the day here in the trade challenge account. And the main account here is up about $2,400. Looking good. Would love to see Amazon continue to run here. All right, guys, I just sold out of our Apple trade at $630 a contract. Let me bring that up here. Order status. This is in the trade challenge account here. Trade challenge account. I closed out the Apple 132 call. We completed that at 6.30 per contract. Azaria says Exxon Mobil's running. We'll take a look at that in a sec here. Our Bank of America, February 19th. I'm keeping that open. No reason to get rid of that. That Riot trade I'm watching closely there. I might take profits here on Bank of America. I want to get rid of that. We could find another trade here to jump into. All right, just closed out of Bank of America at 161. BAC trade challenge trade closed. I think I'm going to pick up a weekly on it, Avilio, either this week or next week. Guys, Riot's breaking out. We're now green on the Riot trade, up 3% on the Riot trade. Remember that thing was down 90%. We're now in the green on it. Nice job, Avilio. Wish you got in Friday. That would have been a nice entry there. I was in it a few days. Should have added to it, but that was a wild ride there. That was a wild ride with that. All right, what do we close out? Trade challenge trade closed at 1.61 BAC. Okay, so what I want to do, the reason why I'm getting rid of a few of these, I want to shift strategies here. If the market's going to run this week on that stimulus being passed here, obviously I want to take advantage of the short-term run here. So what I'm going to be looking to do is look for some weekly expos here. And if we continue to run, I'm going to do something like an in-the-money vertical spread using the profits from the previous trades here and look for some paycheck trades. That's what the plan is. Tools, order status, and here is the Bank of America trade here as well. So Apple, we closed out Apple for a nice profit, $6.30. We closed out of Bank of America at $1.61, a nice profit on that. Apple's pulling back here. We literally closed at $9.49, the Apple trade. Look at that, $9.49. We closed at 1 bar away from the highs. I like that setup there. That was a really nice trade. Now, if we bounce either off that 20 or the 50-day simple moving average, that's where I'm going to come in and do something like a weekly expo here and probably do something like an in-the-money vertical spread there as a paycheck trade.
Shares of Molecular and Biotech on that FDA orphan drug designation, hitting a high of 89 cents. That's up about 2.3% at the high.
Riot's doing good there, Villia. I'm watching Riot. Let's see, Exxon Mobil. Azarius said Exxon Mobil's having a nice breakout. Avilia, are you still in the Riot trade? Or not the Riot trade, the Exxon Mobil? That's looking good there. That's holding that. Look at how nice that's holding that 20-day simple moving average on a 3-month daily chart there. Nice breakout, holding that 20. She breaks that 42.50. That's where I'm probably going to enter into that. Guys, our Riot trade's now up 11%, 14%, 15% on Riot. There goes Riot. What a breakout. We got a 20% gain on our Riot trade now, guys. Big breakout on Riot. Let's see her continue to run there. Riot. R-I-O-T. What a breakout on Riot. Up 32% on Riot. Or not 32. Yeah, 32% on the day for the stock. Nice climb there. Love to see that next breakout. I'd love to see her hit 18 today.
CNBC says President-elect Biden plans Defense Production Act use for COVID vaccine.
Debating what I want to do with my Riot here. If I want to hold on to her or what. I'm looking for that breakout. Alrighty, guys. I just sold the Riot trade that we were in for this week's expo. I didn't want to take a risk of having that have a big pullback after the stock's up 32%. So we just closed out of Riot for a nice gain here as well. Closed out of Riot at $1.80 a contract.
Russia extends UK flight suspension until January 12th.
Nice job, guys. Guys, let's get back to making some big profits here. Love what we're seeing and what we're doing here. Let's keep it up. We closed out 3 trades today for some really nice profits. Want to keep those running. Let's see. Nice gains there. Let's see. Up $2,200 now in the main account, guys. Take a look at Disney. Guys, you guys should be having a phenomenal day here. Take a look at Disney. That's one of our larger trades here. We have $9,000 in our Disney trade. There goes Disney, 177.04. Up about 2% on the day here. Continuing to break higher. Looking good. Look at Disney. That looks like it's just starting to break out here. So what I might do here is I might look at another trade. We just closed out 4 nice trades here for some big profits. We're up 5% on our longer term Disney July 16th 180 call. What I might do here now is add something for this week's expo on Disney and look for that further breakout. Guys, Riot pulled back since we sold. What a beautiful timing to sell that Riot trade. That was really nice. Look at that pullback all the way down to that 20-day simple moving average on Riot. Let's see here. Efren, you want me to take you off of mute? There we go. Yo, Efren, what's going on, buddy?
What's up, guys?
Yo.
Pulling out these few trades right here. Nice little gains, man.
Oh, nice way to start the week, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I want to see that momentum continue. You know, if he signed that $2,000 relief bill, we'd be soaring all week. You know, it's only $600, so I don't know if it's going to last into the week or if it's just like a one-day pop and then drop on Tuesday. You know what they call Tuesday, the turnaround Tuesday, you know?
I think it lasts.
I think it's going to last this week, too. Usually, historically, we do well the last week of December here, and January is typically one of our best months, so we'll see how that goes. That Riot's starting to climb again, back up 1708, climbing off that blue 20. Amazon starting to climb. I was thinking about doing an in-the-money vertical spread on Amazon. What do you think about that for a paycheck trade? 3-month daily chart here, you know, she's holding that 10, 20, 50-day simple moving average, you know. It's still trading kind of sideways. I'd love to see it, you know, climb above that 32.20, you know, for a confirmed entry there, but I guess we'll see how it goes into the afternoon here. I mean, all we have left is one trade in the trade challenge account, the Cloudera. You know, I have that December 31st 15 call. Let's see. Avilio said yes on the Amazon spread. He wants to do that, but you know, I'd really like to see it break that 3,200 today. If she breaks 3,200 today, I'm probably going to do that, Avilio. I'm watching that XL at $31. You see anything on your end coming up?
I'm just watching right now.
Yeah.
Just watching. The Qs are climbing a little higher now.
Let's see here.
Check out this heat map.
Avilio said Visa's having a nice run. Did you check out Square today, Avilio?
Altium Capital Management reporting a stake of 7.2% in a 13G G filing. That's GNPX.
Look at that Apple move there. What a move. Did we sell Apple the right time, or is she still running? Oh, another breakout there on Apple. I'd love to do something for this week on Apple and Disney. You know what? Let's do it. You think Trump is going to keep calm, though? That's my biggest thing here.
I was very surprised last night that he signed it.
Me too.
He
Me
was
too.
tweeting Saturday night like, "Oh my gosh," he was like, "I'm not signing that. Not signing it." I thought he was gonna hold it till today and make the announcement.
Yeah, I thought he would.
At dinner last night speaking about the futures. They were down. I was like, "Oh man, tomorrow the futures a little bit down." Literally 2 minutes later, he signs. We get a notification that he signed.
That was out of nowhere too. I wasn't expecting him to sign that one. I thought he wanted the $2,000 stimulus, but there's no support for it from the House Democrats. I don't think. Look at XL starting to run again, 31.30. Man, that one moves so much there, doesn't it? She literally moved 10% just from the lows to the highs here of the day. Over 10%. The IV on that one, though, is pretty high.
Joseph Stilwell reporting a
Look at all the healthcare you have there. AZN, AstraZeneca. Look at that heat map, guys.
Assets adequately reflected in the current market price of the company.
Here's that heat map.
The vaccine will get approved this week.
India Charlie Hotel. That's a 13B filing.
Let's see, TSM. That's that Thai semiconductor one, right? Someone in the trade room was talking about that. TSM. Last week or the week before. United Healthcare. Let's see UNH, what that one's up to. Biden coming in. That might be a go one. Visa's looking good over here. MasterCard. CHL. What is CHL? I can't think of that one off the top of my head. Let's see.
China Mobile?
CHL?
Yeah.
China Mobile. Look at that consolidation after the big pop this morning. There must be some news on that. Wow, look at that breakout, Ephraim, huh? All the way down to 28 bucks. And look at this, just literally about a month ago, she was at 35 bucks. That's not bad. I'm watching Amazon pull back though down to that 50-day simple moving average. Let's see what Visa's doing here. Visa 3-month daily. Now see, there you go. Visa's looking good. That might be a nice one for the January 15th expo. That XL's still on the run there. Let's see.
Exxon looking good.
Exxon Mobil was looking great. Avilio brought that up, last week?
Mm-hmm.
Consolidated for a while. It's starting to break. If she breaks above that, you know what? I'm going to set my alert on that for 42.50. She breaks that, I'm going to jump into it.
And options are dirt cheap.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that's a solid blue chip.
Dirt cheap.
Really cheap. Let's see. 42.50. Get rid of the less than. Okay.
Even when you have a chance, Pierre has a question in the chat room.
Okay, sure. Let's check her out. Good morning, Dave. I have 1:30 call expo for CRM. Can you share your thoughts on it? Let's see. Salesforce, CRM. She's failing at that 20 right now. She's in breakdown momentum, as you can see here. Breakdown momentum's that red, blue, yellow there. So let's see. He got the 1:30 call. 1:30 call or the 2:30 call? I'm sure he means the 2:30. What expiration? 1:15. Yeah, Pierre, honestly, how much are you down on that now? I don't think you could be up on that unless you got it, way earlier, back in early December there. Are you up on it or down, Pierre? He's down 63% on that. Pierre, she's holding that 225-ish area right now. If you want to get rid of it now, I'd personally get rid of it. But then again, you know how big Salesforce has moves here. I mean, she could literally be back at 230 by tomorrow or even at the end of the day today. She has big candles there. Quite a volatile stock. But if it were me and you just had that call, what you could do to lower your risk too is, let's see here. So let me bring up the option chain. I'm going to show you some ideas here. So some ideas here. Bring this down. So he said he has a Salesforce CRM January 15th 2:30 call. So if you have that 2:30 call, what'd you pay for it there? That way I could give you some good not advice, but opinions here, what I would do. Pierre, what'd you pay for that 2:30 call? You could either turn it into a spread, or what you can do is turn it into a butterfly. And what that's going to do, once you tell me the price, I'm going to show you. Because think about it. If he has that 2:30 call and he sells, double the contracts of the the 240, that's going to bring in some money and help him, break even somewhat. I don't know where he is there. Okay, there he is. He said he paid $11 for it. Wow, that's a lot of money. So what you could do, if you thought it was going to go...
Foresight Autonomous spiking to the high now after the company announced the pricing of their offering. Shares hit a low around $4.40 in the pre-market, now at $5.33. That's Foxtrot Romeo Sandy X-ray.
So what you could do is you could end up selling 2 contracts of the 235 and then buy 1 contract of the 240 and turn that into a butterfly there. That way you're bringing in double the contracts for that 235 call. So you'd be bringing in 270, multiply that by 2, so about 540 a contract you'd be bringing in. So that's going to bring you way back closer to even there. And then, obviously you're going to hold on to that and hope it's somewhere between that 230, 235 from now until expiration, which is definitely possible. But with you, what you have right now, you need that 230 plus the 11 you paid. So you needed at 241, which is all the way up here just to break even. 240 is resistance. So when you jumped into this trade, I'm sure you probably saw, I don't know where you jumped in at, because if you're down 63% on that, maybe he got in at the 23rd. I'm not sure. Maybe he got in back here early, December or late November there, and then it had that pullback. But like I said, Salesforce is a mover, so it's really up to you if you want to hold on. He got in late November, he said. So, yeah, he got in back here when she was, at those highs there in that cycle. And then she had that BDM here, 10 crossing below that 20, entered into breakdown momentum. I mean, literally on this candle right here, if you didn't jump out on November 25th, that November 30th should have been your exit there. But like I said, you could either do that or you could turn it into a spread and sell the 235 call and just bring in that 256. That'll help you somewhat there. So you got a couple of options. Either one, you think that it's going to break 250 a share from now until January 15th, which me personally, I don't think that's going to happen up to 250, because that's where you need it. You need it at 252 to make 100% return. Whereas, if you kind of cut your losses here, sell to open the either 240 or the 235 strike, you're going to save yourself a little bit there. Or if you thought, it's going to be somewhere between that 230, 235, maybe even 240, you could sell to open, double the contracts of the 235 or 240 and create that call fly there, that call butterfly, and you'll be bringing in some nice premium by selling the double the contracts of the 235 or the 240s. But for me, Salesforce, the market's higher. This one's down, 1% for the day. It's not going with the market. So for me, that's telling me that this stock's going to continue lower. Let's see. Bank of America's running their sane. Let's see. Bank of America, another nice run on BAC. I'm going to look at doing something for this week's expo right now on Bank of America in the Trade Challenge account. Here's the Trade Challenge account here. Let me see here. This is going to be with unsettled funds because the Bank of America or the Trade Challenge account's only level 2. It's a non-margin account. So this one, December 31st. Now remember, this is a shortened week as well.
Disney,
We're closing on
high grade,
Thursday.
About 2.5%. Delta India Sandy.
Disney is continuing to climb there.
GRPN Groupon.
Let me see this quick.
On volume 39.82.
Let me refresh this.
Top of November.
Wow, guys, we are up $1,400 on the Disney trade today. Let me just share with you on that. What a nice run there on Disney. So here's our Disney trade right here. This is for that July 16th 180, right? We're in that Disney. We ended up paying $15.60 a contract for it. She's at $16.95 now. We have 5 contracts of that, you know, so we're up about 10%, up $1,362.50 for the day on that. There goes Disney. I gotta see if I can make this. I keep saying Disney. Bank of America trade here. That's looking like a nice setup. Amazon's starting to pop there as well. All right, I'm gonna make this one in the main account. I'll probably make it in the both. Call. Let's see here. I'm gonna pick up the January 8th call on the Bank of America calls here. 30.50 a contract. That's going to be looking good there. She's at 65 cents now, 0.65. I'm looking at the January 8th 30.5 strike call on Bank of America. Let's see what the volume is on that. 30.5. That's looking good. Plenty of volume. Alrighty, let's see here. There she goes. She's running again. 65.66. Okay, I'm going to pick up 20 contracts of that. Let's go. Let's see here. That's only about a $1,300 trade. That's looking okay there. Place trade, view order, and we are executed at 66 cents. So here is the trade. I'll just copy and paste right from eTrade. All right, posting that in the trade room now. And there it is. Buy to open, 20 contracts, Bank of America, January 8th, 30.5 strike call, and we have an execution at 66 cents a contract. And that's for this one right here. So this is what we ended up picking up. Let me share that with you guys. We ended up getting 20 contracts. I just shared that in the trade room. January 8th, 30.5. We picked that up for 66 cents. She's continuing to climb there. Nice climb.
You added this in the trade challenge, right?
No, this is the main one.
Right.
Yep. Let's see here. Man, I gotta see that Amazon take off today. Not happy with how Amazon's moving. I'd love to see Disney have a move to $200 a share. I think that's gonna happen there too. DIS. Anything coming up on your end there, Efren? Anything running?
Didn't see any alerts yet.
No, me neither. 3182.50 on Amazon. She's starting to climb there. I want to see a larger breakout there. Let's see. Man, we sold that ride at perfect timing today. Oh man, oh man. We would have been down another 300 on that if we held on to it.
Exxon's still moving.
Is she?
Nice. Yep.
Let's see. Wow, what a nice move on Exxon. She almost got up to my 42.50 there on this candle. 10.13. That was close. What a nice way to start the week, though. Nice profits today. There goes Amazon. Let's see. My alert's going to hit on Exxon Mobil if we break that 42.50. Want to see Amazon climb off that line. Look at that. She came down to 31.70, back up to 31.82 now. Want to break that blue 20, see that 10 cross that 20. Got our first green bar on the histogram above the 0 line there, looking good. Let's see if we can continue that momentum. But Qs, let's see what Qs are doing. Qs are relatively flat there, consolidating, failing at that 10 right now, and BDM technically here. So So we'll see what goes on with that. Austin Schrader said, didn't he sign that stimulus relief with red lines and send it back to the House for a revision? I thought he passed it, right? I heard somewhere else too he sent it back to the House for a revision, but he signed it, right?
Yeah, it shows that he signed it.
Would be nice if he did that and then did another 2000 stimulus, you know, the direct payments there, a standalone bill by itself.
2 for 1, huh?
That'd be nice. He's already, from what I hear, he's already reorganizing his campaign for 2024.
2024, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
From what I hear, as soon as he leaves office, he's going to start his campaign for the 2024 election.
Oh man.
We'll see.
He could be the favorite.
Oh, think of the money he could raise too. 4 years.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Go back to Mar-a-Lago, start raising some funds. $200,000.
Yeah. We'll have to take a trip down there, Efren. That'd be sweet. Could you imagine us there at Mar-a-Lago having dinner with him?
Oh man. We'll have to sneak in.
Yeah. Who the hell would pay $500 for a couple's plate there?
$500.
500,000, I mean.
There you go.
Aerocentury shares.
$500 won't get you ballet.
Today, $8.18.
I know, right?
That's not Petroleum Yankee, halted on a circuit breaker.
Oh, let's see here.
And the residents in Palm Beach don't want him there either.
Really?
Yeah, apparently he signed an agreement with residents that he's not allowed to stay there for, I think it's, don't quote me on this, but 7 consecutive weeks or something like that.
Really?
Because they fear that they might, if he ever gets evicted, that it'll be a big tarnish in his career.
Wow.
Something like that. That was weird. He's definitely coming back home.
You think he's gonna go back to New York at all?
No.
Yeah, not after what Cuomo did.
No.
And de Blasio. Man, what is happening to that XL? Did you see that XL? That XL is dropping like a rock.
Very volatile.
Very.
I had a what? 32.79, 32.81 to 28.
Literally had almost a 20% move from the highs to the lows today.
Oof. That's scary.
Amazon's still moving here. Let's see, consolidating there. Here comes that 1020 cross. Let's see if we could cross it and climb. $1,500 move on that XL trade today. From the highs to the lows. Come on, Amazon. Let's see that breakout. Doug, it definitely needs a split. Amazon needs a split. But the sad part is, there we go. An alert condition has been met. What is Exxon Mobil doing?
It was Exxon.
Yep, that's the only one I had on there. Let's see, Exxon Mobil. What a breakout.
Yeah. Billy, are you in?
I think he's still in it. Yes, sir.
All right. Day trade or swinging?
February Expo, that's not bad. Now, see, what I'd like to do on Exxon Mobil is have a target of about $45 on that. There goes Amazon having another nice breakout too. Starting to climb. I want to look for a trade for the trade challenge account here. Be nice to end that with a 300% return for the year. got this week to do it. We could definitely do it.
ACY resuming trade now. Alpha Charlie Yankee.
Oh, let's see.
$8.19.
I know the
per
calls
high.
on it are so cheap on Exxon Mobil. Let's see here. Or what we could do is pick up in the money vertical spread on Exxon Mobil. That's not a bad idea.
Bank of America high day.
Is she? Let's see. What are we up on our Bank of America trade?
Shares up about 18.5%.
There we go. 3% gain on Bank of America. I want to do a vertical spread on Exxon Mobil there, Vilio. Let's see, December 31st. Do we have the volume? We do. We have a lot of volume on Exxon Mobil. That's interesting. Usually that one doesn't have volume like that. 42, 42.50. 29 cents to be worth 50. Excuse me. That'd be a 72% return. That's not a bad setup right there. I can't do spreads in the trade challenge account, so I'm gonna have to make that in the main account. But I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna make that XOM. Let me bring it up here for you guys. I'll bring it on the screen. What did I just do? Let's see. Okay, there we go. Where the fuck is it? There we go. All right, so let's do it. I don't know why it does that like that. Okay, so here we go. Exxon Mobil, buy to open December 31st. Let's do the 42. 42.50. She's going for 30 cents. So if I want to do about a $2,000 trade, divide that by 30, that's about, we'll do 50 contracts.
They report February 2nd.
February 2nd. Okay, I like that trade. Preview order, December 31st, buy to open 42, sell it open the 42.50. Preview order, place trade, view order. And we got executed at 30 cents. There we go. So here is the trade. Copy. I'm going to post that in the trade room now for you guys.
Wow, 30%. Nice, William.
30% gain on SPY calls. 40% he's up now. Nice. 55%. Nice breakout there. There goes Amazon. Let's see what we're doing here. Put this back up here. There we go. Portfolios. Riot's starting to climb here again as well. Delta. Let's see what Delta's doing. I think the airlines are going to continue to climb with this, with the vaccine. Well, I haven't heard about anything about more vaccine rollouts. Have you? I thought it would be all over the news. Like, oh, now we got 20 million vaccinated. Here's how many were vaccinated today. Don't hear anything like that though. They were waiting, and now all of a sudden they're quiet. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Well, it's a bad thing for the COVID stocks.
Well, airlines apparently pulled back a little bit after Trump signed the relief bill last night. They were down in pre-market.
The airlines, they were down in pre-market,
Mm-hmm.
so they got a nice pop then this morning, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I want to see that Amazon continue to run. If she breaks that 50 and we could get up to that 3190, you know, there's still a chance of getting that 3200 by the end of today. I like the volatility in the market today. XL's starting to climb again. There we go. There's a big breakout on Amazon there. Nice climb. Disney. What do you think are the chances of Disney hitting 200 bucks?
Oh, very high.
I really think so.
Michael Tango, LNT.
For that July 16th expo, I mean, I think she's going to, you know, climb way past 200.
I went to the mall the other day, Christmas shopping.
Uh-huh.
They closed the Disney store, which was crazy.
They closed the Disney store?
Yeah,
Why?
that was one of the most popular stores. I guess they're getting out of the, you know, the retail box sales. And they made it into an arcade. It was really weird.
That's crazy.
They know something we knew.
BHAT, Bravo Hotel Alpha Tango. Blue Hat getting a pop here on heavy volume. That's BHAT. ACY, Alpha Charlie Yankee.
There goes that XL again. Back up to almost 30 bucks. Came down to 28, back at 30. $2 climb there, which is about an 8% move there in, what, 10 minutes?
Century.
There goes that XL. Look at that breakout on XL.
Oof.
FLUX, shares resume trading. Or shares.
Ephraim, you still planning on coming up this week?
Now 1830.
Yes.
$19.
We'll chat during lunch.
Yeah, definitely.
0.5%.
Yeah, I'll give you a call.
I have an appointment tomorrow with the oncologist, so that I think that's at 11.
AIKI.
Okay.
Shares spiking here, 77 cents.
I think he's gonna set up my neck surgery for this week. Not looking forward to that. That lump got much bigger for some reason, but the rash just went down, which is good from the chemo.
That's good.
Apple. If Apple could break that 135, I'd be happy to do a day trade on it. Let's see. Joseph Callahan on YouTube says AZN AstraZeneca is about to be approved in UK. 95% effective. Warp speed is a disaster. Government promised 20 million by December 31st. Only 1 million so far. Joe, same thing here. They announced so many things here that they were going to do, but I don't even think they're giving the correct numbers yet of who's vaccinated, how many vaccines.
Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index.
Riot's still
9.7
running there,
for
too.
December versus 12.
Amazon's
previous
looking good. See how we kind of like stalled off after the first hour of the day
Dallas
here?
Fed Manufacturing Business Index.
I hate when it gets like that. I love that morning volatility. Love it. Let's see here. Visa's up 1.44%. Look at Visa go, guys. Look at that breakout. No one was talking about that there.
I think
Look.
somebody called it.
Yeah, earlier. Yeah. After. But that nice little run there in the past 5 minutes. Look at how nice that's looking.
EHang launches aerial tourism services with strategic partner Greenland, Hong Kong.
That's something I'd love to pick up for this week's expo, you know, Visa. Maybe make a small trade on it in the trade challenge account here. Let's see if I could do it. If it's gonna let me. Let's see. How you feeling about Visa? You think that's going to pull back a little bit there, or do you think she's going to continue to run?
Oof.
I know, right? Such a beautiful chart. What do I want to do with that?
Clearside Biomedical, CLSD. Brad Whitmore purchased 51,195 shares at $1.95. Average at a
Let's see if it lets me open it there.
Sandy Delta.
Okay, just let me get into Visa. I got this week's expo on Visa, the 210 call. I got 2 contracts in the trade challenge account here. Let me bring that up. Here's what I picked up. I only got 2 contracts. I figured, you know, about a $600 trade. If I could double that overnight here, today's run and tomorrow, you know, that'd be nice. We'll get that trade challenge account up to about 300% gain if we could do this. I really want to focus on that because we got our new trade challenge account starting in January.
Shares of EXPC spiking to $11.50. Again, here's the best new long idea head jive.
Already up 5% on the Visa trade. John Pantillo's getting the Moderna vaccine tomorrow at work. John, make sure you take a video. I want to see if you pass out. You remember that my wife showed me that this one lady took it and then she passed out and she thought she died. You know, my wife's one of those like conspiracy theorists. She believes that, you know, China's making the vaccine and they're gonna kill us all or something, you know. Insane. Amazon's still running. XL is all over the place today, Reigns. Tim Raines.
You got the 210 call, right?
On Visa, I got the, let me see here, order status. I picked up the Visa December 31st 210 call, completed at 2.85. A small trade challenge trade there. Look at the pop on Amazon there. Wow, what a candle. Look at that candle on Amazon, back up to 31.90. There she goes, breaking 31.90. That's what I wanted to see.
Huge with a big pop.
There we go. What the heck's that Exxon Mobil doing? Exxon Mobil. I'm not worried about that. That's gonna be fine there. There goes another big candle on Amazon. What is she doing? 31.91.41.
Could it be that Dallas Fed news?
For Amazon?
Or the Qs? I don't see anything that's gonna spike it.
I don't think that'd make it that big of a pile. There's got to be something going on.
And Facebook.
ACY, open again, Alpha Charlie Yankee.
Wow. See Facebook?
Wow, Facebook up over $3.50 now.
Now at the high.
Look at Facebook go.
21% for ACY.
What a breakout there. 3-month daily.
Now,
That's looking pretty good back up to 280. That's one that's not a bad idea to trade. Do I want to jump in that now? That's the question.
1240 now on ACY shares of ADIF.
Look at that breakout though. That's a nice breakout.
Now at 92 cents, up 31% for ATIF.
We're back in the green for the day on Amazon, which is nice. Disney trades up 10%. Let's see if Facebook's going to continue to run here. How's Casey doing?
She's good.
She's feeling good?
Yeah.
No more contractions?
No.
Oh, that's good. A little early for that.
Very early.
There goes Facebook again. Google's having a really big day. Look at that breakout on Google. Wow. 3-month daily chart here. Oh man, that's looking good. I gotta make a trade on Google. Even if we do something like an in the money vertical. This is the type of trade that's gonna be a great paycheck trade right here. No question. No question about it. Let's look at it. Let's look at the option chain.
You think she'll break that 20?
Yeah, I do. I think she'll break that
momentum.
tomorrow.
Bouncing off the 50.
That's looking really good. 1700 support. Buy to open, sell to open. Let's see here. I would do this week. What am I looking at here? Let's see. So this one here, what I would do is I do a spread that's below that yellow 10-day simple moving average. That way that's our support. So 1740 support. So if I wanted to do something, I could do, let's see, 1730, 750, 1740. Let's just see what that's going for. It's probably going to be expensive. Look at the bid and the ask here. 20 cents by $4.40. Okay, let's see here. 1747, 1750, $1.75 to be worth 250. 2.5, divide that by 1.75. That'd be about a 43% return. That's not going to cut it. Let's see here. If we do the 1752, let's just say the 1757, 1760. See what that one's going for. $1.50 to be worth 250. 2.5, divide that by 1.5. That'd be about a 67% max net gain.
RHE,
That's not bad. That's not bad. But if we're going to do that, I might as well just go with the 1760, 250, 1765. $1.30 would be worth 250. 2.5, divide that by 1.3. That'd be about a 92% return if we pick that up for $1.30. That's not too bad there. Wow, new highs on Amazon there. Not for the day for this breakout though. You see Amazon?
Mm-hmm.
She's starting to break. It really looks like she could have a nice breakout here. What a climb. We're up $400 for the day on Amazon. Disney's pulling back a little bit there. Nice climb. Up 500 bucks for the day on Amazon. Only down 24% on that longer term Amazon trade. Well, that's January 15th. It's coming around. If we could get another there we go, broke 3,200. If we could get another 50 to 100 point climb. We're up 700 bucks now for the day on Amazon after that big breakout, 3202.
Nice.
Google's still running there. I want to do a damn Google trade. So much going on. I mean, the charts, though, you're looking at them, like, you see how many monitors I have here. Over here, you can see Amazon having a huge breakout there. Then you come down, you look at Baidu. Baidu's starting to climb off the lows there.
ACY halted on another circuit breaker, Alpha Charlie Yankee.
Baidu's going to have a big breakout. I know that's coming. There goes Amazon, 3205. She's breaking out. Up $800 for the day on Amazon.
$15 now on ACY, halted on a circuit breaker.
I'd love to see that. My target for Amazon, we have the January 15th expo. I really think we could get back up to that 33.30 area.
Holdings.
130 point climb. That'd be nice for us.
About 5% stake.
She can do it. She can definitely.
I need it to start doing it though. You know, I really need it to start that run. Got about 2 weeks until Expo, a little bit longer than 2 weeks. Let's see. Dad Bod says Bumgot Francisco was able to steer away from doing $2,000 per person. Said $50 per person per zip code will be algorithm. Huh?
Addif now at $1.
What's your Facebook doing there? She's still on the run? Wow, she is still running. Our Visa trade's up nicely, up 4% on Visa. I want something in this trade challenge account here. So a good mover this week.
I wonder what time they're. I'm gonna look to see what time they're supposed to meet at today. Because then they go into recess, right? Congress.
Yeah. ACY, Aero Century shares holding on another circuit breaker. Stock up 457%. ACY. Wow, look at that breakout. Man, this stock was $2 yesterday. Today it's 15 bucks.
Oh.
Wow.
Sheesh.
IMB, India Michael Victor, shares popping to the highs now.
Tesla is working on Apple and Amazon Music in-car integration.
Did Tim Cook pick up Elon Musk's call for that one?
Man, he must have been pissed. Getting blown off by Cook.
Yeah, for real. Motivated him.
Yeah, for sure.
RHE Regional Health, another circuit breaker halt, 338, up 108%.
There goes Amazon starting to break out again. That one might have a big run today, Amazon. It really may. It might climb another 30 points. Maybe 32.50 by the end of today if the market holds on to this momentum. There she goes. More new highs of the day. Look at that breakout. Amazon nearing 32.10. I'm up $1,000 now for the day on Amazon.
Beat.
Man, another run like that, it'd be great. 3,300 by the end of the week would be even better. What chart is this down here that's looking pretty good? There goes Google again as well. What do you think? Should I jump into... Guys, our Visa trade's up 8%.
Visa's moving.
Let's see. Oh, you just put in Exxon Mobil?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in Visa below that one. Okay, save. Price. What's the price on Visa? 285.
285.
Okay.
ATIF hitting the high of the day now at $1.09. Alpha Tango India Foxtrot, 53% on ATIF. ACY, Alpha Charlie Yankee resuming. And
Okay, there we go.
2138. Shares up 694% now on.
Wow, we did a lot of trading today, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Resuming.
Close out some good ones.
Halted at $15 and then.
Man, I gotta get into Google. I have to. I want to do regular calls though instead of, or should I just do an out of the money vertical spread
Alpha Charlie Yankee.
and look for that 1800 by the end of the week and look for that big. Let's see, how much of a gain would it be if we got up to 77 cents to be worth $5?
Oh,
And she only needs a what? Another 30-point climb like she had today. That's definitely doable.
77 cents to be worth what?
To be worth $5. 5 divide that by 0.77. That'd be a 550% return. It could definitely happen. That's the next resistance on Google, that 1800.
We'll call that the stimulus trade.
Should I do it? You think so? Let's see. 3-month daily chart here.
Cheap, 77 cents.
And it really looks like she's going to hit that 1800. I got to do it. That looks like a good trade setup. I'll do a smaller trade of about 2,000 on it. GOOGL. Call spread. Let's see. Buy to open. Sell to open. 31st. 1795. 1800. Net debit. 0.80. Do 20 contracts. What's that noise there?
I'll just market update. 1050 Thinkorswim update.
Open order at 80 cents there on Google. Waiting for that execution.
Q's.
RHE, Regional Health Properties, shares resume and halted.
I bumped it up to 90 cents, still not filled.
428.
Let's see, refresh. Nope. Look at Amazon go. Another big breakout on Amazon. Come on, Google, fill that freaking order. There we go. Finally executed on Google. Here you go, guys. I'm going to share that in the trade room with you. And that'll be a nice way there to end this after this morning session. Nice gains. Amazon new highs. Guys, I just picked up this trade right here. I ended up getting 20 contracts. And I did a net debit limit order for 0.90. So I am in that. Let's make some money on it. Amazon's having a big breakout there, guys, too. Look at Amazon continuing to run. What a breakout. Up $1,200 for the day on Amazon. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Look at Amazon go. There goes Google too. There goes Amazon. 32.10. Up 1,300 on Amazon now on that breakout. 32.11.
Keep it going, baby.
See, this is what I mean about, when you have a larger account, you could get really worried if you make a bigger trade. Because look at this one here.
It's 14 cents.
Here's that Amazon trade that I have, right? So, I mean, I literally have about $13,000 in Amazon, considering what I'm down right now. I'm still down about $2,400 on this trade. But you see what one day did here, and it's only up 1.2%. Up almost $1,300. Well, if I refresh it now, I'm sure I'm going to be up over $1,300.
Yeah, it's not a big breakout.
Yeah, it's having a nice breakout here. And like I said, one more day like this, I'm going to be in the green for sure. Just like we were with that Apple trade, the Bank of America trade, the Riot trade. Our Visa trade's looking beautiful. Look at that Visa trade, up 8%. There goes Amazon again, another nice breakout. Now, we were up 1260, right? I mean, look at what we're up now on the Amazon trade. From when I shared that to what we're at right now. I mean, look, Ephraim, you see this, right? 1260 we were up. Mm-hmm. Take a look now. 1260. Now we're up 1425 on it.
Wow.
Literally $200 there. $200 in a minute there. So as she continues to break out, you make massive gains on these decent sized trades here. Let's see, 1425. I mean, look at what we're up now. There's another nice breakout, right?
Or ACY.
Now we're up 1480, another $60.
41,385 new cases versus 30,501 on Sunday. 357 new deaths today versus 316 on Sunday.
So really easy to make that back. I mean, we're up 17% today. Another 17% move there on the options there. We're going to be back to break even there, which is going to be nice because then we're going to start making some good profits on that. Google's still looking good. And our baby here is our Visa trade in the trade challenge account here. 212.27 continuing to look good. Riot is starting to look good here as well. If you take a look at Riot, just starting to climb once again, but with Riot I'd wait for a candle above that red 50-day before jumping into it.
A circuit breaker at $3. That's Romeo Hotel Echo, halted on the way down now at $3. Regional Health Properties.
Looking good. Guys, I think that's a perfect way to end the morning here. We're at 11 o'clock. We'll be live again at 2. We're looking good. Ephraim, did you see that ACY now? Remember that was up 400% before?
Yeah.
It's up 900% now.
Oh my God.
Look at that. 854%. Wow. What the heck's the news on that?
I'm looking it up.
Man. Looking good.
Company reported in 8K NYCE accepted a plan for continued listing.
Wow. Disney's starting to run again. There goes Amazon back at new highs of the day. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
WISA.
Alrighty, guys. That's going to do it for the morning session. we'll be back again at 2 o'clock. So just be in the trade room. Those of you that aren't members yet, get signed up. Go to breakingchartalerts.com, www.breakingchartalerts.com. That'll take you to the home page there. And then if you want to join us, simply go to join now, log in, membership pricing plans. And you guys still have the chance here before December 31st to take advantage of our holiday special. Use promo code HOLIDAY 2020 for the Elite Pro Trader, and that's going to give you 35% off. And then obviously you guys could join with our monthly trader and our Pro Trader membership for $125, $250 a month. We're starting our trade challenge account here again for 2021, which is going to be a big one. Look at what we're up now on the Amazon trade. Remember what was just up? 1480. Remember that? Take a guess what I'm up now on it for the day.
Oh, she's at the high right now. 1500, 16.
Almost 1800. 1762.50. Looking good. And she's still running. Oh. Love it. Guys, come get signed up with us. If you guys have any questions, we have live representatives here, live support. Just click on your question, ask away, and our members will be, or not our members, our staff would be happy to get back to you quickly there. So come join us, and then once you sign up, go to the live trade room. That's where we're going to be right now for the next few hours here. So hopefully we'll see you guys again at 2 for the afternoon live session. Once you go to live trade room, click on afternoon live right here, and that's going to take you to our afternoon live trading session, and we'll be there at 2 o'clock. So happy to see you guys there. Hope everyone's having a good day. Markets are looking good. Trades are looking great, and looking forward to another big week here, guys. Alrighty, everyone. We will see you again live at 2. And if you have any questions, please shoot us a message on our Facebook business page, Breaking Chart Alerts, or come join us or shoot us a message on breakingchartalerts.com. Alrighty, guys. Take care. God bless. Hope everyone had a great holiday. And let's turn this momentum into some great profits for us this week. And remember, the trade challenge is starting again in January here. So get ready for that. Alrighty, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. See you, friend. I'll give you a call, okay?
Cool.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Shares now up 1,060%.